I was born by the river, 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 river. I was born by the river. Making that cash. Ooh, 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 ooh. What up? What up? No. So as you can see, well, as you can't see, as you can see with the title, boy, that I'm going to be making my iced coffee. So, you know, gotta fill this up, you know. Okay, so I got my water, you know. Yeah, girl. Okay. The water's boiling. Okay. Next, you actually need coffee, you know. And this is instant coffee because our coffee machine is somewhere lost in the garage, and I'm not going to look for it, so now I'm having to put instant coffee. Anyway, I need a cut. See, all the mugs are in the dishwasher. Born by the river, river. I was born by the river, river. I was born by the river. I was shaking that ass. There's a ghost. So now, okay, so next is you take this, you know, and you take this much because, you know, you can never have too much coffee, you know. I like it strong, okay? And then, so that it's a little bit sweeter, and yes, I'm one of those people that drink a lot of sugar with their coffee. 2, 3. Okay. I'm just gonna be making a regular coffee. What? Regular coffee? You know? Okay. So. Okay. It's boiling. Almost said cooking. Because it's quick in Afrikaans, but you know, I've got to be English. So this is boiling. So I'm gonna take it off. You know. And I'm gonna pour it in here. And we're gonna leave it black. Okay? I'm spilling. Oh, okay. So the next step to my gorgeous, lovely coffee is getting a cup and getting ice. I have all my reusable straws with the cups, you know. So I'm gonna use this one. Ooh. So now put that in there, put that like that. Oh, we don't have enough ice. No. Okay, well, this is as good as it's gonna get because I didn't prepare for this video. You think I'm preparing for this video? Hell no. So, pretty nice. It is really just a plain recipe. I'm just making this video because I'm bored, you know. And I don't have any ideas because I'm not creative. So, put in your ice, not air, ice. Not your own hair. And then you fill it up with ice. With ice. And I'm gonna have to fill this up later. So now your cup is filled with ice, like that, you see? See? Okay, so now you put in the coffee. I'm spilling, okay, whatever. Coffee, you know. Okay, so once you clean up, I'm kind of doing like my ass, you know. You leave this little bit of coffee that stays. Well, usually this stays. This little teeny bit. This is what stays after you poured it in, you know. So now you're gonna get the milk. I'm sorry to all the vegans I'm offending here. I don't drink almond milk. I don't drink whatever milk I drink, normal milk. At least it's fat free. Okay? And I left the fridge. Okay, so now you pour your milk, your almond milk, your normal milk, your I don't know what the hell milk you drink. Use that. Soy milk, almond milk, you know. And then you stir it up. And then it looks like this. Well, you can't see. Wait. Look at that. Then it looks like this. Okay. And then, I hope I get the camera angle right again. Then you get your lid and you put your lid on. Because, you know, no spilling sisters. Oh, and then you have your iced coffee, ladies and gentlemen. Wait. And you do your iced coffee dance because you made it successfully. I was born by the river. I was born by the river. Oh man. That song has been stuck in my head for weeks. Well, that remix, not the actual song. But anyway. So, now you have your lovely iced coffee, which you can go enjoy, you know. It's not as good as Seattle's. By the way, Seattle is not sponsoring me, even though they should, because I buy like 20 times in a month. But anyway, let's just, you know. So thank you for watching. And hope you have a great day, a great week. It's holiday, it's school holiday. Yeah, so bye.